Hello everyone. So today I am going to speak on a topic called NFT, which is very much trending all over the world and even on some of the social media platforms. Now before going to this topic, I just want to say you that this topic will be divided into three stages. The first one is what is NF, and second one is about T, and the third one is how this NFT is related to your images. So yeah, before going to this, now I want to say that this is basically the story of a human psychology, how we are shifting the values with the help of technology. Now let's go to the first part, NF, non-fungible. Now I can say that it can be repeated as non-replaceable, something which cannot be replaced. To give you more clarity, suppose I have a jacket with me for a long time and I love that jacket because it gives me social identity. Now if I want to buy the same jacket again, I'll go to the website and I'll search for the same jacket, and if it is available with the same color and the same size and it is costing of $5, even though if I buy that jacket, it is not the same jacket that I have with me right now. This is called non-fungible or non-replaceable. The interesting thing here is the people and the humans, we give value more to the non-fungible things rather than fungible things. Similarly, in economy also, more or less we more concentrate and everything relies on non-fungible and fungible. And if you take the Mona Lisa, the image of Mona Lisa is also non-fungible. Now let's come to our second phase called tokens. This is very internally thing to speak about. Here is an example of tokens. Suppose I want to buy 3 slices of pizza from my friend, which is of $6. Now what I do? I swipe my card, then a message is sent to me saying that $6 has been debited from your account. And the same message is sent to my friend saying that $6 has been credited into her account. Now this is a basic way of storing of the transactions and doing verifications and sending to the both parties. More and more, the money is just a number on the screen. Now with the rise of the internet, people thought, why can't we eliminate the banks while performing a transaction between two different parties? Thus, the blockchain comes into the picture. So, what is a blockchain? Now, the same example, suppose I want to buy 3 slices of pizza from my friend which is charging $6. Now, what I do? I again swipe my card. Now, this time, what happens is, instead of storing it in a private records or the banks, it will directly store in a public platform where a bunch of people of computers are sitting and verifying my every transaction. Now if I have $6 with me, then the transaction is automatically approved and now I own the pizza, and this everything will be stored on a public platform and accessible to everybody. Now here comes the major part. You may think that, okay, blockchain is a new technology and storing records on public platform, okay, but how this is related to the images? It may be cat gifs, it may be your personal images or animals, nature, so on and so forth. So you may think how this is related to images. Now here comes the basic picture, how these are actually relating to the images. I'll tell you. Now, if you see, there is a latest news saying that a businessman has acquired the image of the Twitter for the exchange of $6,000 from a famous person, Jack Dorsey. So Jack Dorsey is none other than the CEO of the Twitter. Now, you may think Okay, what is the advantages of this image owning and all? So, and how does it does? Now, the simple thing, the only thing the blockchain does here is, what it will do is, suppose the businessman has 3 million with him, so the blockchain search for the transactions, and if it is satisfying, then it is automatically approved, and the image certificate is now owned by the businessman. Now, like this, you can own everything. Now, these NFTs are classified into videos, images, the way your favorite player hits the shot. For example, you may be fan of Dhoni or Kohli, who you can buy the way he is hitting the shot, and you can also buy the way the Ronaldo hits the goal. Everything is being sold with a cost attached to it. Now I want to tell you a interesting thing here is, so as a human beings we have the abundant things towards our basic needs, but yet we value and we create value for that which in her doesn't have any value. Once you create the value, this will automatically turn into psychological hype, and this psychological hype makes people to buy everything what they want. Now, the one more important thing here we need to know is, you may think, where is the and what is the medium for storing all these particular records? Now, the thing here is, these records are being stored on a blockchain coin called Ethereum. So why only Ethereum? Because Ethereum is one of the stable coins among all the blockchain coins that it have. Now, the recent survey has stated that Ethereum is using 22 terawatts of electricity for storing all these transactions. Now, all these transactions are being stored in a warehouse. So they have the larger data warehouse where your transactions are being stored. Now, the 22 terawatt of electricity means the electricity power consumed by country called Serbia. Now, the crux here is, the tokens may be fake. You know that the tokens are fake, you know that it is not real, but yet what happens is, our deep effect is pushing us and our minds to think, validate and verify in a different manner. So this is all about NFTs and the basics of NFTs. So NFT is one of the trending topics. Soon I will be telling you how to buy the NFTs and where to buy the NFTs and what are the best platform to buy and validate your NFTs. If you like the video, please like and give your valuable feedback. Thank you.